Hello friends, today I take up a new topic and the name of the topic is Akhand Bharat, Undivided India, Reality or Fallacy. My lesson plan includes why is it in the news, historical perspective, which country will form part of the Akhand Bharat or Undivided India, is the concept of Akhand Bharat feasible, and finally conclusion. I will stick to these points to cover this topic. Since this topic is doing rounds for the last 10 days, so I thought it prudent to describe in detail as to what constitute Akhand Bharat, I mean Undivided India. So friends, why is it in the news? You might have read in newspapers that RSS chief advocated the need for Akhand Bharat, I mean Undivided India. He said that Akhand Bharat is possible from Hindu Dharma but not through force. Before independence and after independence, it has been the important plank of Hindu Mahasabha during the foreign domination. Veer Savarkar, Guru Golwalkar, and later on Jansangh. And so in 1965 Jansangh passed a resolution for Akhand Bharat or an Undivided India. So this has been the important planks of right-wing politicians since the beginning of our independence. In 2015, the then General Secretary Ram Madhav of BJP sketched a plan for Undivided India encompassing India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. These countries were the part of British rule, and so he wanted to have an Undivided India by encompassing Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. RSS never acquiesced the partition of India.